So my name is Jesse David O. Ilariaga. I am from Adams Young University, fourth year BS Computer Science student. My academic knowledge should be focused on Python programming and quality assurance, and then leadership skills since I was the leader of our thesis project. And I would rate myself around 4 out of 10 for my technical skills. Before joining Strastan, my expectations were I will be learning about the company or work culture in the corporate world. Uh, for challenges during my internship, mostly it was the feeling of nervousness whenever a new task was being given to us, and mostly the feeling of nervousness mostly fades away after knowing what exactly to do. So for current skills, technical skills in the following areas. In AWS clouds, all of them are mostly a 5 out of 10. And except for CloudWatch, which is would be higher, since I learned to when developing the Swagger UI of media, I learned to check CloudWatch and to know what kind of error is being outputted. For full stack application, all of them are mostly around 5 as well. Your technical skill I enjoyed learning was as I said, CloudWatch, since I learned to look at what errors to resolve. So I find uh, the full stack application development challenging since it tackles multiple components and languages. And these skills prepared me for a real world work environment, which allows me to gain experience. Any major difficulties? Not too much. What I did learn about working with other developers is I have the culture shock, let's say, since it, it was implied that using AI to develop the code is implied to be normalized. And the internship program, I believe it has slightly increased my chances of getting hired since I now have experience with AWS and full stack development, and I'm not that confident in facing a technical interview when it comes to AWS cloud development. And the Strastan internship changed my career goals. Not really. I still prefer to take a quality assurance related job. And for my closing message, special shout out, uh, since we were named Team John. I believe we haven't really actually met Sir John throughout the internship. So special shout out to Sir Jobert and Sir Francis, since they took us students under their wings. And for my fellow Adamson interns, since I would probably not have any other OJT without them. So thank you.